Worst thing to overhear about yourself?
Is it he doesn't know anything about profiteroles? He doesn't even know what they are. He thinks it's a country.
Or that you've got bad breath.
Oh, I tell you what, got bad breath is there. That's number 10 on the list people worry about.
I imagine anything about your breath is quite bad.
Mine's fine.
Yeah, you test.
Yeah. And then you sniff it.
Valentine's Day, I think, is just too much pressure, and it's for uninventive people. Everyone gives red roses and chocolates. It's like, think of something yourself, like, do something a little bit more creative. Like, to me,
I tried
just
that.
so...
I tried that, but it backfired.
Yeah, because it's rubbish.
What did you try, Sean?
I made a card for my wife/girlfriend lodger, and I made it myself, and she didn't like it.
That's sweet, though, no, that's...
Yeah,
that's
but I do,
better.
so what it is, I cut a picture of a heart out of a cigarette packet.
Creative.
On a card.
There's one more thing to get. Go ahead.
Is it the fact that everyone in the world's a lizard? I assume so, because I didn't know until this evening. I'm under this now.
Have you ever watched a lizard? Have you ever watched a lizard? There's no way lizards could take over the world, because they're so fucking slow. They're like this. You could edit a bit of this out, but I'm going to stay here for a few minutes.
OK, let's get on to the next thing.
I'm doing the thing!
Stop being a lizard.
How is that lizard going to take over the world, Gemma? Can he operate
he's not
a gun?
a real one. He's not a real one.
He's right, Jimmy. He's right.
I had one named after me as well, actually.
A dog?
I did, yeah. I tried to get it for me because I wanted another dog, and then they gave it to somebody else.
Wouldn't it confuse you to have a dog with the same name as you?
I'd probably...
If you were in the park shouting your own name, you'd got a bit of a dickhead.
Do you know what I call my dog? Attack. I go, attack! Attack! What, attack? Attack! Really disconcerts everyone in the park. I boast about the fact that I can wear my left shoe on my right foot, my right shoe on my left foot.
Bullshit. There's no way a man could do that.
Yeah, I can, yeah. Look, there we go. It's a nice feeling. You just feel like, you know, you can do anything you want. You can go any direction you want. You're not bound by the usual rules. Try it with your shoes. It'll work well.
I've done it. Anyone can do it.
You've got to walk around in them a bit.
Have a little walk. Just see if it looks
walk around
normal.
in them. Don't wander around.
I'll be honest with you, Sean, it makes me feel a little bit queasy.
Because there's always this thing, whoa, it go around corners.
I was not expecting that.
Yeah.
It's a bit like when you're at...
Go, whoa, yes.
It's a bit like when you're at Clark's and they say, do they fit? And you sort of... Something's not quite right.
I hate it when Northerners moan about London. They're always going, oh, it's not very friendly down here on the tube. It's not very friendly on the tube. You think, it's a tube train, you're going somewhere, it's not a bleeding carnival. Jimmy, I'll see if you like, because I've got a question I want to ask you. I've
Sure, go
noticed
ahead.
something.
Go ahead.
Have you had your teeth jazzed up?
Yeah, I've had my teeth jazzed up. That was the exact term I used.
Yeah.
I want
Really
that.
white. It looked like you swallowed a torch.
Yeah, well, they were looking kind of shitty, and I was getting, you know...
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Did you
No,
send them...
they weren't that bad. They were bad.
Bad.
They still look like teeth.
I got the teeth of like a dead horse that found in the Thames after about a month.
I like your teeth, but then I like Watsits.
Yeah.
This made me think, oh...
Yours are so bright. They're a bit... I mean, when you switch the lights out at night, do moths bump into them?
We asked our studio audience, would you describe yourself as a tech addict, yes or no?
Well, I don't feel I have to answer that question, and I'm shutting your butt down. I've answered that question before, and I don't see what you've got a right to talk about. I've said all I want to say on that subject.
But do you think
about it?
But do you think the tech...
I'm not your...
Would you describe
I'm not your
yourself...
slave, and you're not my master.
Would you describe yourself as a tech addict? No, but would you describe yourself as a tech addict?
I'm shutting your butt down, Jimmy.
OK, top thing people learn from TV shows.
Is it that chefs, for some strange reason, chefs are allowed to swear? You know, you can't swear on gardening shows or property shows. I've never heard Kevin MacLeod halfway through Grand Designs go, winter's drawing in, and they still haven't got the fucking roof on. This is when you need to swear. That's worth swearing for, not because some broccoli's overcooked. They haven't got a roof. But then Gordon does need to swear. He's obviously got issues. You don't get those lines in your face worrying about roast potatoes, do you?
Well, you got pretty close to it.
Chefs, cooking.
It's the right answer. Top advice you'd give your younger self?
I know what I'd say. I'd say, it doesn't matter how curious you are, don't stick your cock in that barrel.
Seanstein, what do you think the nation will be talking about this week?
Ooh, Oscars?
Yes, the Oscars.
Were you excited by them?
Not particularly, no. To be honest with you, I don't really like award ceremonies. Not because I don't win them, I just... Award ceremonies over the years have encouraged me to read, watch and listen to stuff that I could quite comfortably have avoided. There's loads of films, books, records that I listen to because they won awards and have wasted my time, wasted my life. Avatar, I'd never have gone to see Avatar, but it's won all these awards, I went to see it and... Oh, Christ.
Really? It's like the best
Mumford
Smurf
and
movie
Sons.
ever.
Oh, it's just bollocks. It's just
Oh, hang
drivel.
on, are you moving on to Mumford and Son?
Mumford and Sons.
People
for
love
Christ.
Mumford and Son.
Yeah, fine if they come round to paint your house. There's loads of them. They put up in their cheeky 1950s van. Yeah. But you don't want to listen to them going, oh, the same bleeding song over and over again.
Why don't you cheer up? What's the matter with you?
What really annoys me about couples is when they don't refuse to put an offer in on any of the villas in Place in the Sun. And Tom and Tina have decided not to make an offer on any of the properties we've seen. I just watched you look at 5 properties. What was wrong with that kitchen? You can paint it, you stupid bastard. I'm in an Elton John video. He keeps it at home.
Sure, why not?
I've only got one song on my iPod, which is Rock Around the Clock. And I have it on shuffle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it finishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just for hours on end driving.
Days.
Drives my wife
It
mental.
answers a lot of questions, though. That's why she drives like that.
1, 2, 3. Over and over again.
There's a lot of gadgets available to help you lose weight. I've got this is a thigh exerciser.
Why
That's
would
a
anybody
thigh-
use that?
Why, have you never used one of these?
I couldn't give a toss about my thighs.
I'm not sure how it...
Go on, Jimmy.
I think it works like that. You've got a... What was that movement? I think it's how they train policemen.
And at the end of it, your thighs are toned and you've got lovely flat testicles.
Does it hurt?
Have a go.
No.
Get
You
involved.
could use it if you were having
What else have I
sex with
got?
someone and you wanted a break. And they had their legs open. You could just pop that in and say, I'll be back in a second. There's someone at the door. Imagine, I'll show you, look, they're up there, you're having sex with them, and you go, I've got to nip off, and then you just pop that in there.
I'll just make a cup of tea.
How long are you going to be? Oh, bloody hell, been ages.